Llama. Okay. Ok. No se te ve la cara. Pues sí, pero baja el screen. Eso. Okay. Good night, Mr. Google. It's a pleasure to have you today. I'm so sorry that you couldn't be today on this otra vez. Good night, Mr. Google. I'm so sorry that you couldn't be today with us on the set.
Yes, I'm really happy that we could have an interview, even though I wasn't able to go on set.
So, I have a question for you. What are the ways of preventing an organ rejection?
The ways to preventing an organ rejection are pretty simple, and there are basic steps that are done before even the transplantation is done. The first step is matching donor system. The matching donor system consists on a system where a test called PRA, panel reactive antibodies, measures the percentage of your antibodies. If you have more antibodies, you'll have more difficulty in finding a donor. So if your percentage turns out to be 27, then 27% of the population can't be a donor for you. But if your percent turns out to be higher than that, like 98 or 99, then 99 or 98% of the population won't be able to provide an organ for you, which means that it is more difficult to find a donor for you because they have to find the 0.2 or 0.1%. And another type would be the blood type matching, which is if you know your blood type, then there's more chance of you finding a donor. For example, blood type O can receive from O. Blood type A can receive from A or O. B can receive from B or O. And AB can receive from A, B, or O or AB, which means AB can receive from any blood type. And lastly, it's cross-matching. Cross-matching consists of mixing up the cells of the recipient and the serum, to determine whether or not the recipient of the organ will respond to the transplanted organ by rejecting it. So the test is done to see how the cells of the recipient will react. If the test turns out to be positive, that means that the transplant should have been done because the recipient has responded to the donor, so it has rejected it. And if the test is negative, it means that it's safe to continue and do the transplantation because the donor and the recipient didn't cause any reaction.
Okay, Mr. Google, thank you very much for the explanation, and it was a pleasure to have you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.